So to actually physically get the template, go to brightwork.com, get free templates, brings you to a simple form, and then eventually to a download page. And you download a zip file, and in it there are just two items, the actual template itself and a hyperlink, a shortcut link to this page where it gives you the install guidelines. So very straightforward. So having downloaded, and then it, if I just show you my screen here, it just downloads a zip file and you can unzip it, and then it gives you these two items here that I've just mentioned. Okay, so assuming it's downloaded, what you now want to do is install the template. Very simple instructions here, well laid out, I think. So you go to the SharePoint site collection where you want to start managing these projects. You click Settings, Site Settings, and there's an image of what you're looking at. You click Solutions, you click Upload Solution, you click Add Solution when you've browsed and picked out that template, that solution file, and Activate Solution, all quite laid out. Now, what has that done? What that's actually done is it's loaded a template into the gallery in SharePoint. So you can then, in an unrestricted way, create as many projects as you want from that one template. So to initiate a new project, you create a project site. So you go to the place in SharePoint where you want to do that, and you go Settings, Site Contents, New Subsite, give it a title, click the Custom tab, and you see SharePoint Project Management Template. Select your navigation options, press Create, and hey presto, you've got a new site that you can now use to manage a project, and you're ready to go. And as I say, you can do that as many times as you wish, no restrictions with the free template.